I will never be able to change what happened to me, and that will be with me forever. And I need to have an outlet for my pain.
Do you not get how awful it makes me feel when you say I haven't raped you, when you have, and
Ellie,
when you say that I've made up...
We've already established that I have. Yeah, well, the people that I need to believe me.
There was this perception, you know, that he had this bright future, but actually he was an abuser, he was a rapist, he was manipulative. When I released it, I really wanted to show the duplicitous nature of him and abusers at large, and I wanted to show that someone who has this public perception of being, you know, a medical student, an athlete, someone that has this bright future, I wanted to show that those people can be abusers too, and they can act differently behind closed doors.
But they're believing a lie.
And I'll tell them the truth one day, but not today.
Will you tell them the truth about what you've done to me?
Maybe.
How do you feel about it?
I feel good not knowing that I'm in prison.
There's a complicated nature to the way that abuse works, but I did just want to show how manipulative he can be. He says in the recording, the people that need to believe me, because he knew that he could spin this narrative that didn't have him be a rapist. And I wanted to show people the reality of that, especially the people that support him and continue to support him. Thinking that I might be able to change society in a positive way and make it easier, a little bit easier for other people, that's what motivates me. That's what gets me up in the morning when I feel like I can't do it anymore. It's an outlet.